beautiful babes, and welcome into Sugar Fingers. It's Sweet Angel here. Y'all, today I'm super excited because I'm sharing new nails for you. And they are from OOMYNAILS. I love that name. These are press-on nails, and y'all, they sent me 4 different styles to share with you today. And I'm just going to share them. And I also want you to think about one thing. Which ones am I going to choose to wear? So let me talk about the first one here. You're looking at 4 different styles that I fell in love with when I went to their website. So let me share with you the first one. This one is called Daydream. You actually get 24 nails in each package. It comes with instructions right here on the back. And let me break into the box and I'll show you everything that's included in here. So this is the box open, and again you get the 24 nails. This one is, of course, the Daydream collection here. And what I love about these nails, y'all, they are affordable. That's the one big thing that stops a lot of people from getting fake nails. They think that you're going to have to spend an arm and a leg to get some cool press-on nails, but you really don't. So you also get an alcohol wipe, you get a file, you get a cuticle pusher, and you also get the sticky tabs. Well, I call them sticky tabs, but I guess you can call them adhesives. You get 48 of those inside of the package. So we're going to move along and talk about the other styles that I picked out. So of course this is Daydream. The next one here is Rule Maker. This one has a multitude of different designs on it, from the French tips to the crisscross to even rhinestones. And next we have Fun and Games, which this is a great design that's really popular right now. I love that. And then the final one you have is called Sunburst. And it is really pretty, and it's really an eye catcher for me. I really like this one a whole lot. So y'all, when it comes to these nails, I need a hand model. I didn't take off my nails, so I gotta call in Lucy. This is my new hand that Maddie got me for Mother's Day, and Maddie is my daughter. Check out her channel right here. Look in the iCards. So she's going to be modeling each one of the nail designs. The first one you see is Daydream. You like it? Now, of course, they look a little bit shorter on Lucy because she has some long nail beds. This girl was really blessed, okay? Now, the next one is Ice Bar, and I just decided to pop each and every design on her fingers so you can see exactly what you're working with here. The crisscross, the French tip, the rhinestones, and even this cloudy one that's on the middle finger. That is really nice. I love them. Yes, I do. And hey, Lucy, thank you so much for modeling that so well. Let's move on to the next design, which here I love Fun and Games. Now this one is really cute, really sleek, really professional. You can wear it daytime, nighttime, anywhere. This one is a nice one. I'm actually going to try this design myself when I create some nails because that is really cute. And the final design is Sunburst. Now this one is really pretty, really elegant, but yet still rather dainty. And y'all know Lucy is rocking these nails, okay? Now I am really partial towards one of these, but if y'all would, don't cheat, don't watch the end of the video. Find out which one that you think I really am leaning towards and which one I'm going to put on in this video. So check it out. Y'all look at each one of these designs. Very different, very cute, but very nice. And these nails, yes, if you've heard of them before, you know that they make high quality nails. Yes, they do. Very sturdy, very durable, and all with very unique styles. However, the great part about OOMYNAILS, they are low priced, and that is a plus, and that is what I love. So let's get to prepping my nails and get ready to figure out which style we're going to be using today. So I'll be back to you in just a moment to reveal which ones I chose. Alright, so these nails are prepped and ready to go. Looking great. So now, which one? You know which one? Boom! Yes, it's going to be Sunburst. This is the one that I'm going to apply. I have my nail glue here. The nails again are already prepped as you saw, and we're just going to tear into it. Let me go ahead and get them sized up and see which one I put on whichever finger, and I'll be back in just a moment. Just check out the process and jam to the music. And now I finally have the nails all sized up, and now it's just time to apply them. And this is the fun part, because I get to see the final results and see how exactly they're going to look. Ooh, my nails, you can find them on the internet, and they have their own site, so I'm going to leave all of that great information down below in the description box for you. So check them out. You have so many different designs to choose from. You're gonna be just like me, like, oh my, which ones do I choose? Yes indeed. But OOMYNAILS, you'll love their styles. They are very, very up to date with all of the designs that I truly love. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply these, and I'll be back in just a moment to reveal the final design. And y'all, I didn't leave it at just this design. I added my own little sugar fingers touch to it. So stay tuned for that. So yes, the final step is to add rhinestones, and that's what I'm doing now. Just taking my top coat and placing the rhinestones on top of that and curing in the lamp for about 60 seconds to make sure they're really in place. And that is the final step of this. And now we're getting ready for the reveal. How do you like them? Do you love them as much as I do? OOMYNAILS. Yes, indeed. I want to thank OOMYNAILS for sending me these press-on nails, and I'm so happy to share them with my beautiful babes. Again, the links are below. If you love the design as much as I do, please make sure you go ahead and drop a like on this video. Drop me some hands down in the comments, and beautiful babes, how do we do it here on Sugar Fingers? Yes, keep the hair, the face, the hands, and the feet looking gorgeous, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye now.